Welcome on board to the Meta Instincts channel. Are you always short of gold in the Sea of Conquest? Gold is a crucial resource to upgrade our fleet and research. Auto trade is one of the best methods to get gold fast. This video covers optimizing auto trade and shares some exciting news about Packsify. Distance. Remember that longer distance means longer time and higher returns. If you are going to sleep or unavailable, choose a longer distance port to cover more idle time. Make sure to turn on the auto resupply to avoid any delay in sailing. If your supply runs out, your crew's morale will decrease, and your sailing speed will be reduced by 40%. This means that your flagship will sail slower, resulting in longer travel times for trading and less profit per day. Turning on the auto resupply function will automatically consume the dishes and drinks on the ship. However, it is vital to ensure you cook enough food daily to replenish the supplies. Also, turn on the auto resupply function in port so it won't consume all supplies on your ship. Gate. Your profit per hour will be lower if you are trading across a gate in your trade route. Therefore, it is recommended that you trade inside the gate area. However, doing so will result in lesser auto trade time, and it may not be possible to cover your sleep time. The best solution is to acquire the monthly pass called Gold Blessing. It increases your auto trade number from 50 to 150. This way you can earn more profit during your away time and spend less time creating auto trades. The best part is that it also provides 30 HIM-Conk, making it an unbeatable value bundle. We recommend purchasing the monthly pass, which may cost around $25 US. The good thing is we can always get up to 28% discount on any bundle, thanks to the sponsor of this video, Packsify. Packsify has a Discord community with over 10,000 members that saved players over $4.1 million over the last 3 years. Now, they're launching an app that makes getting discounts effortless. Join the waiting list to enjoy exclusive bonuses, including early bird discounts ranging from 10 to 35% and an additional 15% discount for the first 2 weeks. Test the app with 500 free credits, with no credit card required. Grant early access to the app 7 days before the public release. Discord giveaways boost, double the chances of winning big giveaways in May and June via the Packsify Discord server. Over 2,000 players joined already. Secure your spot before it's too late, and enjoy effortless discounts and bonuses from day one. Storage. Be sure to build and upgrade the storage in Flagship. More storage means more goods you can carry in each trade. It will be directly proportional to profit level. Improving the relationship with your guild and unlocking higher level goods is essential to increase profits. The higher the level of goods you sell, the higher the profit you'll make. For instance, selling level 5 goods yields 500 more gold than level 4 goods, which is a 12% increase in profit. We'll be making a video on how to quickly improve your guild relationship, so please let us know if you're interested in this topic by commenting guild. However, it's important to note that the port level limits the goods you can buy. For example, you can only get to level 3 goods at a level 3 port. Some players may believe higher port levels lead to higher profits and rush to trade at port 7. However, ports at level 5 and above offer the same goods level. This is because the maximum goods level available for trading is level 5, and to access it, you need to establish a worship relationship with the guild. Instead, picking ports your gang owns can earn you an extra 20% profit. You won't receive the bonus profit if your gang doesn't own port 7. Therefore, choosing the ports with the highest relationship owned by your gang will give you better profits. Speed. It is crucial to consider sales speed, especially for the flagship. Please keep in mind that only the flagship is required for auto trade. We can deploy the battleship to perform other tasks, such as capturing or defending a tower. To increase the sailing speed of the flagship, we can mount it with a sail that provides a sailing speed bonus. This will result in faster trade rounds, leading to more daily profits. Short supply. When trading goods, it is essential to note that those in short supply at a port can bring in higher profits. Look for the green arrow that indicates a shortage. You can travel to the port with a shortage sign and then compare the trade targets with green signs. Choose the target that offers the highest profit. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.